is calling through the burning rain. Every note a mark of pain. Drums of doom beat slow and deep. The devil's choir don't let me sleep. Fire in the valley, thunder on the hill. Every song's a curse I kill. My soul's on loan, my blood's the wire. I'm singing loud with the devil's choir. Broken strings and bones for drums. The reaper hums where the black wind comes. If heaven's closed and hell's for hire, then I'll sing on with the devil's choir. Smoke on the horizon, blood in the sky. The crows are singing where good men die. Ash and dust in every breath I take. The Lord don't hear the vows I break. Right under the black sun's flame. No mercy whispered, no holy name. The earth will tremble, the shadows run. When the reaper calls, I become the gun. Chains of guilt, rusted steel, Every scar reminds me what's real. If salvation rides that dawn, tell him the rider's already gone. Past the canyon where the skulls still grin, I left my blood and all my sin. Boots in the mud, moon cold and wide, the hellhounds howl on the other side. Just a ghost with a heartless grave. Firelight flickers on my gun's cold steel. The night feels heavy, the darkness real. A whisper says, you can't go back. So I ride deeper through the black. smoke on the horizon, blood in the sky. The crows are singing where good men die. Ash and dust in every breath I take. The Lord don't hear the vows I break. Right under the black sun's flame, no mercy whisper, no holy name. The earth will tremble, the shadows run. When the reaper calls, I become the gun. Every scar reminds me what's real. If salvation rides that dawn, tell him the riders already gone. The shadows run when the reaper calls. I become the gun. where the dead don't sleep, they hang around. Rusty chains and whiskey tears. I've been haunted for 20 years. Sing me that tombstone lullaby, where angels fade and devils cry. The grave's my bed, the moon's my eye. I'll sleep when the sun won't rise. The silence cuts through my screams. I'm half alive, half gone inside. This tombstone's all I can hide. Sing me that tombstone lullaby, where angels fade and devils cry. The grave's my bed, the moon's my eye. I'll sleep when the sun won't rise. The preacher said, son, you're bound for hell. I smiled and said, I know that well. He held his cross, I held my blade. Two lost men in the game. play. Under the thunder, I made my vow. No God, no mercy, not here, not now. If heaven cries, let the angels burn. Every sin's a road I've earned. Lightning strikes the chapel door. Blood on the book, faith no more. The wind still hums that funeral hymn as I fade where the light grows dim. Under the thunder, I made my vow. No God, no mercy, not here, not now. If heaven cries, let the angels burn. Every sin's a road I've earned. Riding slow where the black wind moans. Dust and fire, the road's my home. Whiskey burns in a hollow vein. I talk to ghosts that know my name. Down the devil's highway I ride alone. No cross, no mercy, no sacred stone. I paid my dues in blood and flame. The devil knows, he called my name. Stealing shadow, my only friend. Every mile another sin to mend. If heaven's watching, let it be. Hell's got a seat reserved for me. Down the devil's highway I ride alone. No cross, no mercy, no sacred stone. I paid my dues in blood and flame. The devil knows, he called my name. Voices calling through the burning rain. Every note a mark of pain. Drums of doom beat slow and deep. The devil's choir don't let me sleep. Fire in the valley, thunder on the hill. Every song's a curse I kill. My soul's on loan, my blood's the wire. I'm singing loud with the devil's choir. Broken strings and bones for drums. The reaper hums where the black wind comes. If heaven's closed and hell's for hire, then I'll sing on with the devil's choir. Voices calling through the burning rain. Every note a mark of pain. Drums of doom beat slow and deep. The devil's choir don't let me sleep. Fire in the valley, thunder on the hill. Every song's a curse I kill. My soul's on loud with the devil's choir. Broken strings and bones for drums. The reaper hums where the black wind comes. If heaven's closed and hell's for hire, then I'll sing on with the devil's choir. Fire in the valley, thunder on the hill. Every song's a curse I kill. the devil's choir. Gravel road to a nameless town where the dead don't sleep, they hang around. Rusty chains and whiskey tears, I've been haunted for 20 years. Sing me that tombstone lullaby, where angels fade and devils cry. The gray's my bed, the moon's my eye. I'll sleep when the sun won't rise. the canyon where the skulls still grin. I left my blood and all my sin. Boots in the mud, moon cold and wide. The hellhounds howl on the other side. I'm just a ghost with a heartless grave. Firelight flickers on my gun's cold steel. The night feels heavy, the darkness real. A whisper says, you can't go back. So I ride deeper through the black. Smoke on the horizon, blood in the sky. The crows are singing where good men die. Ash and dust in every breath I take. The Lord don't hear the vows I break. Right under the black sun's flame, no mercy whisper, no holy name. The earth will tremble, the shadows run. When the reaper calls, I become the gun. Every scar reminds me what's real. If salvation rides that dawn, tell him the riders already gone. The shadows run when the reaper calls. I become the gun.